Hey guys, welcome to Two Vets in a Van. We are in Texas right now, and you're probably not going to get to see a whole bunch of it because we're doing a mad dash to get to Hope's brother's house because her sister's also there right now. So we got 900 miles to do in about 2 days, so we're not going to be stopping and videotaping much. So that's what we're doing. Sorry. We're going to have some soup right now at this rest area with some nice bread. And yeah.
Oh yeah, that's right, we got bread. We're going to have some organic chicken noodle soup for our lunch.
Yep, and Hope's going to cook that right there.
In there.
We also get some of this cheesy bread stuff. So that'll be good. Yeah, so like we were saying, we're in Texas and we are bombing through it right now to get to her brother's house.
My sister's coming in at 2 o'clock today from Hawaii on an aircraft, and my brother or sister-in-law are supposed to be picking her up from the airport.
Bread looks pretty good. Hope cheated, Jerry. Got some of the cheesy bread.
I shared it with Bit, so it's okay, right?
Lunch is being served. Looks good, doesn't it? Smells good.
Yep, so good.
Tip the cheesy bread in it. Be a good day. Looks like a pretty brand new rest stop. Pretty damn nice. I just took a little bit down here for a walk, and the side made me chuckle. Let's see if it makes you guys chuckle as well. I mean, if you like snakes, or you don't like snakes, I don't know. Watch for snakes. They're watching you. Yeah. Beautiful facility. We had an absolute amazing time with Hope's brother and sister and my sister-in-law. We almost spent the evening and night at Stewart Beach, but decided to go to the ferry terminal as a little bit more security. But it was beautiful. That's the Gulf of Mexico. The Gulf of Mexico. Little Bit had an amazing time just zooming about the beach. She absolutely loved it. A couple crashes, but she loved it. She also drank some seawater, so she's been drinking lots of regular water since we came back.
Well, duh. You stop in front of somebody, you gotta expect to get bit. Or stepped on. Not bit. Bit got stepped on. Go through my legs. Why? She always goes and hits me in with my right or left leg, never between the legs. She goes between the legs on her dad. One of these days she's gonna do it the right way.
Bit. Go get Mom. On the right, there's a seawall that was started to get built in 1902. Because in 1900 there was a huge hurricane came through here, and there was like a 15-foot tide that basically killed about 12,000 people here, completely ruined it, wrecked the place. So they built that seawall. Okay, we're at Whataburger. This is the number 2. That is chocolate malt. It looks delicious. So, this is our first time at Whataburger. We got this, and the lady comes and gives us these plastic tumblers. Wow. Love it. Isn't that good? Yeah. This is the Galveston Train Museum. Hope went in first just to double check to see if dogs were allowed, and guess what? Dogs are allowed in this museum. Brilliant. And we had a blast there. That was about $13 a person, but you could honestly spend 3-4 hours there. We spent a couple and thoroughly enjoyed it.
This museum houses one of the largest restored railroad collections in the Southwest, featuring over 40 locomotives and rail cars, interactive exhibits, and model trains. I'm sure you guys are going to love it. We did. It was just beautiful. Sometimes it felt like you walked in a new era. The Railroad Museum is located in the historic 1913 Union Station.
The old phones. This way. Come on. This way. Come on.
Visitors can explore the Art Deco depot. They can walk through trains that have been remodeled. Some may go on for miles, it seems like, but it was so much fun and so much history. You can have rides in them, caboose, sometimes during the certain times of the year. the weather permitting. They have special events where they host events like Polar Express. When we went through some of the trains, they had every single table that was in amongst each sitting area had Polar Express on it, and they had quite a few, and it seats 4 in each table area.
Walt Disney World has all these. Party.
I'm just looking. Kitchen's bigger than I expected it to be. Come on, let's go. Yeah, that is really big.
This just reminds me of White Christmas.
Yeah, it does. Especially in here. That's pretty cool. Go like this? I had no clue. Ritz.
How you doing?
Yeah, it's you see if she has a pet? The last one.
Was that baby?
So this is luxury from the last one. Yeah. Kind of like the German one I rode in Germany. Then the eating car had like a table in the middle. Women, men.
Hold on.
Whoa. Dining car. Well, that's pretty. Oh, Polar Express. They did Polar Express with the kids. See? Pretty nice. Mm-hmm. We'll keep on going on this one?
Yeah, let's keep going.
Okay. Oh, family. Somebody had a railroad car that said Santa Fe on it, and I can't remember who. But it wasn't this big. It was a little teeny one. This is something they would take, some kind of cargo.
Emperor.
I got it inside this other train. Ernest Borgnine, Lee Marvin, Keith Carradine, Emperor of the North. Look at Longhorn. Ooh. That was noisy, eh?
We watched it this morning.
Kevin watched it. Me and Bit watched. Caboose. Yeah, me too.